Oh God, my back. Oh.
Men Soma, give me one bottle water.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for today. I brought out these tomatoes from the freezer. And it's still blocked. It's still blocked. Oh. I was too close to the pot. I didn't know that water would enter inside. Oh God. But anyway, I'm just going to put it like that and it will dissolve. Am I the only one that likes to put salt in my oil before making my sauce? Like I love to put some spices. Put curry powder, rosemary, mix everything together. Throwing with my tomatoes. Yes. Ooh, I'm done. Let me go get ready. I'm going to the market to buy groceries and foodstuffs. I want to go next week today.
They lie 1,000, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 5 plus 1, 5, 3,000.
I'll pay on the phone.
1, 3,005.
It's a muscle.
3, 5, 3, 7. 3, 7 plus Five thousand. 5,000. 8,000 is 10,000. 11,7.
Oh, wait, let me have what, 3. How many not here? Oh, 3, come here. Hi guys, good morning. I don't know why I'm breaking out. See small people. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm breaking out. Anyway guys, I just had my bath and today is Sunday and today is Mother's Day. Super excited. Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing mothers out there. You are the hero. Trust me, you are the hero. I pray that God will continue to give us the grace, the ability to be good mothers and to be amazing mothers to our kids. Not only our kids, to even other kids, okay? Because being a mother does not end with your kids. Trust me, you have to be a mother. In fact, mother of all nations. Anyway guys, I don't want to talk too much because I'm actually running late and I want to do a quick makeup. I just wanted to introduce this vlog. So before I go on with my makeup, they said today is Mother's Day and we are actually celebrating it in our church. We are asked to wear blue or white outfits. So I got yesterday that I went to the market, got this dress. This is a simple straight gown with this detailing. Guys, check this out. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I love this ruffle thing. It also has here. The ruffle is on the dress as well. Don't worry, you'll see the full outfit. It comes with a belt. I'm going to be pairing it with this my shoe and this my bag, and I'm good to go. So I'll be using this Flawless Eevee foundation to just quickly hey, water don dey come out for this thing. You sure say this thing still good? Oh god, guys, I hardly do makeup and it's like this thing is I think this thing is not good though. I don't want to risk it. Let my face not gonna look like what I don't know. Let me leave it and just use powder. I'm just going to use this melanin powder on my face. Let me not risk it. Just a very simple makeup. I don't really like wearing too much makeup. I like to keep it very simple. At this point, I'm not even going to use what is it called? I'm not even going to use concealer with it. I think I'll have to use concealer. I don't know what I'm looking like. Guys, I don't understand this brow, so I'll carry it like that, Jado. Carry it like that.
My husband doesn't want a nanny. Do you know his reasons?
guys, good afternoon. It's currently past 1, and guys, I came back yesterday. I ate my shawarma and I was so tired. I just had my bath and soon went off to bed because we came back very late. We came back around past 10. I didn't moisturize my lips because I don't like the way my lips is looking. Guys, hold on, let me bring my lip gloss. Let me moisturize my lips. Guys, can you hear my kids? Can you hear my baby? She's crying. This baby is crying. This one I say, let me give myself some seconds. Let me do a little me time and talk to you guys so I can end this vlog. Now, now she's already crying. Anyway, I'm not going to open that door until I'm done with this video. My kids were already asleep, so I just went straight to the bathroom, take my bath, and call it a day. And I woke up this morning. I didn't even wake up on time. I woke up very late, feeling so tired. I did not just want to do anything. Although, thank God for my niece, because if she's not here with me, I don't know what I will do. I will not, I don't know what I won't be able to be putting out videos self. But I just thank God that she's here. So she helped me pet the kids and, take care of them and just relax. I'm looking so beautiful. I just had my bath and yeah, I want to eat. I've not eaten since morning. I want to eat. I want to eat rice. This is white rice and stew. The stew and the rice I made yesterday. I could not film while I was making this stew, but because we came back very late from church and we were already tired. We were tired. Okay, I just had to put everything together and yeah, make the stew. That was why I could not vlog. I did not really vlog much yesterday, so and I don't want this video to be too long. By the way, this is chicken head. Am I the only one that eats chicken head? Let me show you guys. I feel like it's weird, but I don't care. I love it. See, chicken head. Am I the only one that eats chicken head? Let me know in the comments, please. I don't think there's any part of chicken that I don't eat though. I eat all the parts. I love chicken head, Jare. I bought this smoothie yesterday. I bought it with milkshake, but I took the milkshake, half of it yesterday, and I want to pour it into this smoothie cup, and it's going to go well with this rice because I have Chineke me. God, I beg you, wait till my eyes so. Oh my God. This tastes so good. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to be dropping vlogs every weekend. If I get 10 years, I will continue vlogging. If I don't get any years, I'll stop vlogging completely. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, I want to eat. Okay, so I'm just going to end this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Only if you say yes. See you in my next vlog. Only if I get 10 years. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video. My video might be sit down video, okay? But anyways, any video at all you see, just watch, okay? Like this video, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all my amazing videos, and I'll see you in the next one. I think I've said this too much. Bye.